pouring into others, and the Betty Fund. You're going to love this story. I'm Coach John, and I'm all about helping business owners make the right moves for their business. Make the right moves, and you automatically achieve better business results. Today's guest is Joe Locricchio. Joe's a very successful entrepreneur. He's the owner of multiple corporations, including 3 successful Tony Pepperoni's pizza restaurants. He's also the owner of H&J Solutions Real Estate Investments and the owner of a nonprofit organization. Joe's been an entrepreneur for many years. However, life for Joe changed a bit in 1999. I'll be back after the clip with your action items. What are your recommendations for business owners? What would you tell them that they need to pay attention to?
Well, the number one thing is you want to treat people like how you want to be treated, the golden rule, okay? Treat somebody like you want to be treated.
Right.
Number 2 is you want to pour into people's lives. You want to put people in front of your success, okay? Instead of you worrying about your success, put that person, your client, success before yours.
Right.
Another thing is to value somebody. Look for somebody that's doing something right instead of always looking in your businesses for somebody doing something wrong. Owners have a sense of always trying to find out where the problem is.
Well, it's easy to find the problem, right?
We
drift to the negative all the time.
You're right. In business, there's always problems. That's a given. It's never going away. But looking at that one employee or those employees, finding something they do right and paying attention to it and complimenting on them and going pouring into their lives, making them feel valuable.
So this wasn't always you.
No, this wasn't always me at all.
What was the turning point?
I started young. I mean, I owned 3 stores. For my first one, I was 18. The turning point was in 1999, is when I found the Lord Jesus Christ to come into my life.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
It makes a big difference, huh? I know for me, I told you my story. My story isn't as lengthy as yours. It's probably just the last 6-7 years, but it's been big.
Yeah. And Jesus has taught me to think about others first, because that is what he is all about.
And that's what made the big difference.
Yeah,
right?
That's a huge difference in my life.
Right.
It's changed.
So now you have the Betty Fund, which you were talking about earlier, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I mean, I'm just, how does that make you feel?
Watches what he does. It's just amazing. It makes me feel great, But all the credit obviously goes to him because I wouldn't do this by myself.
Yeah, if we're stuck in ourselves, we aren't.
Yeah.
We don't do it.
Yeah, the old saying is lovers of themselves. It doesn't get you very far.
Right. So honesty, integrity, the golden rule, and pouring into others, looking for something right. I think that's a really nice, looking, because it's very easy to focus on the negative.
On the wrong.
And let's go focus on the right.
Very important.
Wow, what a story. Make a difference in the lives of others. Pour into others. That's what makes the big difference. 3 successful organizations and a nonprofit later, probably some good advice. All right, here are your action steps to follow up on Joe's owner insights. Number 1, identify how you like to be treated and then focus on your customer. How much do you appreciate having your expectations exceeded? Identify how you can over-exceed your customers' expectations. If you're looking for ideas, send us a note. Number 2, pour into others. Identify one new option to improve the lives of your clients. And number 3, value others. Look for something good. Identify 1 or more areas of gratitude for your team or your service providers and let them know. Gratitude goes a long ways. And lastly, make a difference. Find or create a service where you can make a difference for the less fortunate. The Betty Fund services homeless elderly women, and Joe couldn't be happier with his investment. It's not about the money. It's about people, and it's about making a difference. I really want to hear your feedback. Please scroll down right now and leave a comment. Let me know if this was helpful or you'd like to see a video that addresses a different issue or challenge. I use your feedback to make our videos better. Leave a comment. I'm a chess player, and chess is all about making the right moves in the right order. When you make the right moves for your business, winning gets a lot easier.